What's up? DC5 Max back, and in this video we're just going to be doing another little small update of kind of what's going on with the 06 Rsx. So got the motor all together, it's kind of complete. As far as I still have to get the oil cooler on, still have to get an exhaust gasket, still have to get this little piece off of my other car. I have a gasket for this, I have a starter. I need to order the little plate down here. Need to order a flywheel, clutch, and all the stuff for the transmission, the bearings, and whatever. Can't remember if I told you guys that the car had a water leak. Well, it does. Anyway, I found where the water leak was coming from, fixed it, repaired it. Actually, let me step back over here. So this is what the other side, I gotta repair this side too. So the other side actually looked like this, but it was leaking. This side is not leaking, but I'm still gonna repair it. You can see the seam sealer is just cracked, and on the other side, when you pour water, the water would just disappear, actually go down inside the car, and that is the whole reason that we had to repair the floor. So this is what this looks like, and I'll show you what it looks like on my repaired side. Now don't criticize me, it's my first time trying it, but it's kind of what we got. I kind of just caked it on there. I haven't tested it yet. It says it dries in 30 minutes or so, so it's been longer than 30 minutes, so I'm actually about to paint over it and then I'll test it. But you can't see any more cracks or anything. It's sealed up. I actually sealed it from the inside as well. I'll have to go back through the footage and see, but I pulled the dash. I actually don't have any footage of me pulling that, but it's pulled. It's sitting right here. Also don't remember if I have any footage of cutting the hole in the floor, because where the water was coming in this corner and the car was leaning and sitting, the water ran back and it was rusty in this corner. So we're just chopping this out and we're going to be doing a patch panel to get that all situated. Got the whole car re-iced as last time. It's kind of the only updates as far as right now, so we'll just keep plugging along at this thing and see how